The U.S. Navy is facing a critical challenge. Within 5 years, it's losing 35 to 50% of its science and engineering workforce. Fortunately, NOBCChE is in a position to help.
They have a very unique problem. They have to hire U.S. citizens. If you go into majority schools in the science and engineering disciplines, only about 40% of those students are U.S. citizens, where if you go into HBCUs, the numbers are as high as about 70 to 75%. That means those people could be hired right on the spot by being able to be the bridge between those institutions and what the Navy needs. I think that's the best way that NOBCCchE can serve the Navy enterprise.
Minority institutions, and the HBCUs in particular, represent a real opportunity to expand that workforce and expand diversity in the workforce. And they also represent an opportunity to expand the base of institutions that are doing naval research.
Now is the time to direct our future science leaders into the Navy enterprise.
Part of my job at the Office of Naval Research is putting a plan, a corporate plan in the STEM, how to get this knowledge and inspiration to the next generation scientists and engineers. And that is one of my goals in this job.
I think the Navy faces a lot of challenges, not only the near-term wars that we're involved in the challenges, but also the far-term technology. That means we need new technology, new materials. What a better place than to go to the HBCUs where you get folks who are different, who have different ideas. And becoming part of the naval enterprise, I think the Navy could then benefit being on the forefront of ideas and innovation.
A diverse Navy can offer unique advantages when placing our troops in different environments. In the end, this is a great opportunity for both minorities and the Navy.
The Department of Defense, even going back to World War II when the armed forces were segregated, initially provided opportunities for minorities, particularly African Americans. We know about the legacy of the Tuskegee Airmen. We know about Percy Julian working with the Navy with fire retardants. I think in this day and age, more people are finding that government service is an extremely invaluable and secure thing to have. Knowing there is a move to hire more people in instead of contractors, this is a great, great opportunity for minorities to sign up and work with the Department of Defense on the civilian side in science and engineering.
The U.S. Navy and NOBCCchE, a strategic alliance.